Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to download your RBC bank transaction history as a PDF. Whether you're preparing for taxes, tracking your expenses, or just staying organized, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's 2025, and RBC's tools are more user-friendly than ever, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your RBC online banking account. Open up your web browser or the RBC mobile app, enter your username and password, and complete any two-factor authentication for security. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section. That's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the specific account you want to pull the transaction history from. RBC lets you manage multiple accounts, so pick the one you're interested in. Now, look for the Transactions or History tab. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your recent activities. Here's where the magic happens. Use the date range filters to choose the period you need, like the last month, quarter, or even a custom range. This ensures you're only downloading what's relevant. Once that's set, hit the Export or Download button and select PDF as your file format. RBC might give you options like CSV or Excel, but PDF is perfect for easy viewing and printing. After that, review the summary if prompted, then confirm the download. The file should save straight to your device. Check your Downloads folder or app storage. And just like that, you're done. This whole process takes less than a minute once you're familiar with it. Remember, always keep your financial documents secure and shred them when they're no longer needed. If you run into any issues, RBC's support team is just a chat away. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.